Hi guys, welcome back. How are you guys doing? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm greeting according to your time and location. You're most welcome to my channel. You guys, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. Guys, we'll not take for granted. We love and appreciate each and every one of you. Continue to watch our videos and always engaged. Okay, thank you so much, my ladies. So today's video is mind-blowing. Like we carefully selected new and latest acrylic nail designs for my ladies. These are very beautiful nails collections that we have carefully selected just for you, my ladies. So please do watch the video from beginning to the end. Ensure not to miss any slide, for all the slides are given, like they are mind-blowing. You can never go wrong with beautiful nails like this. So if you're ready to take your nail game to the next level, do subscribe to this channel and always watch our video lives. Yes, always come back to watch our videos because we upload every single week. So in order not to miss out on our videos, do subscribe, turn on bell notifications. Okay, so guys, as you watch our video, can you do support us by giving the video a thumbs up and also share to your loved ones. Thank you so much, my ladies. Always, as you watch, can you like, comment and share? Yes, drop a love in the comment section. You'll be picking any of these nails. Do you love them? Just let us know in the comment section. And if you have any video idea that you want us to bring to the channel, just tell us how you want it and just will be there to reply you. Thank you for watching our videos to the very end. Remember to like and share this video. Bye.